On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat error code. So what you have to do, guys, to fix the support code problem is very simple. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks. Go to the airplane mode, enable it for 15 seconds, and after that disable it, and then go to the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iPhone, go to the search bar right here, search for Snapchat like this, and right here update it. After you update your Snapchat, all the support code problems are gonna be fixed. If you have any error like this, it's gonna be fixed. That's it, guys. Very easy and simple, as you can see. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.